Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to tell if fish oil is rancid. First, always check the expiration date on your fish oil product. This is your initial and most straightforward indicator of freshness. Even if it hasn't reached its expiration, improper storage can still lead to spoilage. Remember, consuming rancid fish oil can negate its health benefits and potentially cause adverse effects, so it's crucial to be vigilant about its quality before consumption. Next, let's talk about the smell test, which is one of the most reliable indicators. Fresh, high-quality fish oil should have a very mild, almost neutral scent, or perhaps a faint hint of the ocean. If you open the bottle and are hit with a strong, pungent, or sour fishy odor, that's a clear sign of rancidity. Trust your nose. If it smells off, it likely is, and it's best to discard it. Beyond smell, taste and appearance also offer vital clues. If you're brave enough to taste it, rancid fish oil will often have a bitter, stale, or even burning sensation, far from the mild or tasteless profile of fresh oil. Visually, fresh fish oil is typically clear and a pale yellow to golden color. If you notice cloudiness, a darker hue, or any unusual sediment, these are strong indicators that the oil has gone bad. Finally, let's discuss how to prevent rancidity. Proper storage is key. Always keep your fish oil in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, as these accelerate oxidation. Many people find that refrigerating their fish oil, especially after opening, significantly extends its freshness. Also, consider buying smaller bottles. This ensures you consume the oil more quickly, reducing the time it's exposed to air and potential spoilage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.